Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Sea Ray 2020 320 Dancer. They have done an unbelievable job with this boat. We're going to start with the lines on it. Beautiful profile, big windows in the front here. The lines are absolutely gorgeous. You see the hard top up there. And also on the back, it's powered by triple 250s. It's all the horsepower you're going to need to get this right up and playing. Give you a good top end as well. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320. Let's start with the hard top. Got a beautiful hard top up here, and it's got the automatic shore shade that goes all the way back, covers the seating completely in the back. Really nice feature on it. Large L-shaped seating, and you also have it turns into like a little sun pad area, and you have a real teak table underneath, and that raises up. So really nice, nice combination there. And you can move this, so you can completely turn this into a 360 seating area. Really, really nice. You've got a grill. You've got a refrigerator and a prep sink, so a really nice little mini kitchen out here to do your preparation out here. It does have cockpit AC with a full enclosure that goes all the way around it, which is really, really nice. And then as we move up to the helm, we've got the twin Simrad touchscreens. Beautiful, beautiful helm. Everything is just coordinated beautifully up here. The controls all pre-lit, backlit. And then we have the digital throttle and shift, and then you get the joystick. It's my favorite. Makes the boat go sideways. You have 100% control of the boat. Also gives you sky hook, which locks you in a position. Allows you, when you're pulling into a marina, you can get all your fenders and lines out, keeps the boat steady. And at the end of the day, you point it at the sun. You can go up to the bow, look at the sunset, keeps you locked in place. It's fantastic. And also has autopilot on it. Very cool feature. Then down below, you've got a nice size cabin. You've got a V berth that is a table, and it converts into a sleeping area as well. And then you get a really nice mid cabin in the back with a stand-up head. And then you've got the little small galley down there. You get a microwave and a refrigerator down there as well. Let's move to the bow of the boat. This is something that the Sundancers have never had before. It's always just been a bow out here, maybe a sun pad out here. You know, not always that comfortable. This is extremely comfortable. 3 very nice lounges here. You got stereo speakers, remote control for that up there as well. Just a gorgeous bow area, a nice feature for the Sundancer. So in 32-foot boat, they really put a lot into this. It's a great weekender boat. Get out of the Keys anywhere you want to go with it. So if you got any questions, you'd like to come see it. We just got it in yesterday. It's a 320, and you can just give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.